Hazrat Aisha Siddiqa Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anha narrates that once Hazrat Zainab, daughter of Abu Bakr, came to my house in a state of anger without seeking permission. I started saying to the Prophet ﷺ, I feel that when Abu Bakr's daughter folds her shirt, it seems as if she is trying to attract attention. I noticed that she was directing her words towards me, but I remained silent. The Prophet ﷺ said to her, You can take your turn to complain. Aisha, you may go and get a retaliation. When I turned my attention towards her, I saw that her saliva had dried up and she was unable to respond. I observed the signs of happiness on the face of the Prophet ﷺ. Musnad Ahmad Hadith number 23523.